Hiya! Thank you for tuning in again to watch my videos. I appreciate it as usual. And if you're tuning in for the first time, I hope you stay, you return, and watch all of my other videos. Thank you. So this situation right here is me taking down my flat twist that I've had for 10 days, I think at this point. I'm supposed to wash my hair, but I'm trying to prolong wash day by 2 days because I have somewhere to go to tomorrow night. So I'm trying to get my hair did, and we shall wash it after my event, that is tomorrow. Side note, you know you put your hair up and it just gives you that facelift. Anywho, let's not get sidetracked. Let's get into it. I also want something to come to the front. I don't want to just pull everything to the top, so I'm just going to start by sectioning the front bits. Okay, so now that I've separated the bit that I want to come to the front, and just try to moisturize it a little bit. Because I don't want my hair to shrink more than it already is, I'm not gonna put too much water in it. I'm going to put a little bit of cream-based moisturizer, and I love the Monoii milk because it just moisturizes my hair, gives it a little bit of shine without any residue at all. As usual, I'm paying attention to my ends because they need more love and care. Look at it this way: if your hair were your friends, your edges and your back edges and your ends would be your best friends. I'm just gonna use my flexi brush to just smoothen that bit a little. I'm using the Jamaican locks. I'm just putting just a little bit of honey curl foaming custard just to give my base a little bit of smoothness without being too flat, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna hold it with a black rubber band, but I'm only going to go through my hair just 3 times because 1, I don't want it to be too tight, 2, I don't want it to pull my hair. So that's it. And then we attach the hair. I'm attaching this much because I don't want it to be too heavy by the time I'm done with the base. So let's start with this. All you have to do is, I have a bigger rubber band, pass it through the middle of the hair like so. So you have it in the middle, like right in the middle of the hair. And then what we do next is place the hair over your own hair in the middle where the elastic band is, and then wrap it round about 3 times. I don't want it to be too tight. Then I twist my hair underneath. Ideally, I should have twisted my own hair first so it was easier to manage, but we're just going as spirit leads. Use the other piece to cover your own hair and the rubber band. This is me trying to put this out of the way, by the way. This is not the style. So I divided the back, and all I have to do is put it up in the middle again. Don't worry, I'll turn around and show you what I'm doing. In hindsight, I should have separated the hair before I attached the first hair, shouldn't I? This is a struggle, but yes, trying new things for the first time will cause that. I'm gonna put the last bit together and then we'll get to it. At this point, I'm connecting my first puff to the second puff. I'm also making sure that my first puff is a bit poofy just before I hold it in place with a rubber band. I am super careful at this point because I don't want the hair to tangle, just because it's Mali hair and they're usually prone to tangle. So I'm super careful and just pull the hair as softly as possible. I'm also making sure my own hair is properly tucked underneath because this is a protective style and I have to protect my ends at all times. Just to note as well, every time I use a rubber band, I wrap it around the hair just 3 times. I'm using a very small rubber band and I don't want to pull it too tight where it breaks, and I also don't want it to be too tight on the hair as well. This is also such a repetitive part because all I'm doing is basically just making different puffs and just wrapping around with rubber bands and creating the puffy ponytail that I want. And I'm just gonna keep adding puffs in this ponytail. Is this a ponytail now? I don't know what it is. So I want a little bit of length, and I'm going to add some more hair to it. Yeah. So I'm putting it underneath and going through this. After adding the extra length that I needed in the ponytail, I just kept using the rubber band to create more puffs till it got to the desired length that I wanted. So I've gotten it to as long as I want it to be, which is like, I think, hip length at this point. And I think I'm just going to cut the ends so it's straight. Okay, this is so cool. Okay, time to do the front. It's so weird how I started out with something totally different to do to my hair. I mean, I knew I wanted like a long plait slash ponytail slash something, but I didn't think it was gonna turn out this way. But here we are. Adding a bit of moisturizer to the front. Pay attention to my ends. So I'm just going to roll this gently. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Rolling like a river. Okay, yes. Yes, we're getting there. Bobby pin. Pin that bit down. I'm just going to brush down this side a little bit and then get ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I love this hair so much. I love the fact that it matches my own hair and it's the same color as well. I like the length. It's not too long, it's not too short, it's just in the middle. Please don't forget to like this video. Actually like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos that I put out, and don't forget to press the bell so you get a notification for every time I post a new video. As usual, you're the real MVP, so thank you again and be good.